Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will go over how to set up a multi-language website on Wix. First, open a web browser and go to wix.com. Then log in to your homepage. If you are using a Wix for the first time, select a template. Otherwise, choose your existing Wix store. Once your store is open, click on the Edit Site button. Next, click on the Setting option. And from the drop-down menu, select Multilingual. Then click on the Start Now button. Set your first language. In my case, I will stick with English US. On this page, you can start adding the language you want to apply to your Wix store. Click the Add Language button. Select the language and its corresponding flag. You can add as many languages as you would like. Thank you for watching.